What the fuck? I ain't never seen no shit happen like that day in my life.
Just had to tear out the roof. Woo! There it goes. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Boy, it sure is. Don't come this way. Tearing stuff up.
Dude, that's a tornado. You see it blew something up over there. Dude, that's a tornado, straight up. Dude, that bitch about to get big.
Yeah, hey, be careful. If it starts heading this way, we gotta start making some moves.
Fuck that, I'm gonna go play in it. You see that transformer blow up? Bro, that's the... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Look at that crap. That's that new building. That's that new building, bro. It just tore that new building up.
Don't come over here. Go away.
Oh my God.
Oh, no. Jesus Christ.
That's a siren?